Here we are with another video. We're working on the 2010 Rav4, Toyota Rav4, and we are changing the downstream oxygen sensor. Okay, and that's going to be on this side, the passenger side. All right, let's get to it. All right, we are on the passenger side. This is the passenger side tire, and you come over here to the let me back up a little bit so you can see. This is your oil pan, drain plug. You come over here, and there's your oxygen sensor. That's the downstream. Now we have to follow that. Sorry guys if it's a little blurry. I gotta follow the plug. And it is right there. That's your plug right here. Okay. So again, I gotta squeeze on the side and pull out. So I'm gonna use my both hands. I'm gonna set the camera down. Sorry. All right. To get to the oxygen sensor connector, we're gonna have to remove the tire. Passenger side, you get your 13, 16, or 21 millimeter. Remove your lug nuts, get the tire off, and you will see your oxygen sensor connector. And now we'll remove the tire. Come over here. This is your connector right there. So all we're gonna do is squeeze on the side and pull out. So I'm gonna have to use my both hands. All right, let me do that. All right, as you can see, I unplugged the oxygen sensor. Now, to make it a lot easier for you, I'm gonna use some of these blaster spray and make it a lot easier for you. So, I'm gonna go ahead and use that. There we go. And give it about a minute or so, and then go from underneath. I do have the socket for oxygen sensor, but I don't think this will fit in there. So I have 22 millimeter socket, which is 7/8. I'm gonna put in there. It'll be a lot easier. I'm gonna go underneath and do that. All right, guys. So after waiting a couple minutes, what I did, I used the 7/8 or 22. Go through the plug all the way in here and unscrew it. But mine, it's moving itself. You see what I'm talking about? That blaster spray, it will help you a lot. So let me go ahead and remove this one, unscrew it, clean that spot right there, put the new one on. There you go. All right, took the old one off. This is your new one. Usually they come with the seasoned material. This one doesn't, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit. All right, and then there you go, new one in there. And to make sure it's tight, just like I told you, run the 7/8 wrench from here. It's a lot easier than using the oxygen socket. Make sure it's tight, and you run the plug up there, plug it back in, and you're good to go. That's all you need. And this is for the downstream. And if you guys like this video, find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions for the upstream oxygen sensor or any other questions, please hit me up and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, I'll see you in another video.